Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Aina. Ito nga pala ang aming performance sa Buwan ng Wika, ang Tableau.
Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.
Yun lang muna guys, update ko na lang ulit kayo sa mga susunod kong video. That's all for today guys. If you like our video, don't forget to buy us a cup of Coke or coffee and see you next time. Bye!